Our customers care about healthy, clean rivers, and so do we. That's why we're moving further and faster and are making progress on our £450 million accelerated investment programme to help create healthier rivers. By the end of December 2024, 900 locations will have new solutions in place that will see spills from active overflows reduced by 20% across the Midlands. And here's an example of how we're doing it.
Hi, I'm James. I've been working for Severn Trent for 20 years, currently senior tech for Fenny Compton Sewage Treatment Works and other sites across the Warwickshire area. We've invested thousands of pounds to increase storage capacity in the reed bed to reduce spills into the River Itchen. As part of the refurb process, we scrape the old stone off, the old reeds, and then we take it to another site for cleaning and bring it back to site, lay it all back down again and replant everything, and we're good to go. The reed bed naturally filters wastewater and supports the treatment process. The investment will see us also aerating the storm reed beds to provide a higher level of treatment which is better for the environment. This is just one of the many projects we are doing across Warwickshire to reduce spills and make our rivers as healthy as possible.
Overflows are designed to protect homes and businesses from flooding during heavy rainfall. However, we want to do more to reduce their use and impact, and the new solutions will see a reduction in spills by 20% this year from active storm overflows.